Welcome back to another video. As you see, we are in our extension tower on the bottom floor and we want to get on with the inside of it since the winter is approaching and this is such a nice place. We do want to get heated floors in here. We do want to have this all nice and warm to be able to enjoy it all winter. But we have some rushed mistakes we have done. This building has been a lot of mistakes and a lot of learning curves we have gone through, and we're learning a lot of building methods that we didn't know before, but I think we're getting better every time. So here's another mistake we need to address, which is this room. So we have insulated it, we have done that, and that's all good. So now interior we're putting the membrane to cover it. But this ceiling we have added, we rushed it just because in summer it was blowing a lot of cold in and we wanted just to keep it a bit more usable. And yeah, we put this on, and without realizing we also have perfectly lacquered it. We have made it all nice and varnished, but now we need to remove it and cut it since we have not put any barrier there and we rushed it and we did not think about that. Because we want to make this room pretty much like a thermos, so we want to have it fully sealed all around and not leave any air escaping, because now if you go around these edges it is blowing cold. So because that just goes straight up and out. It has OSB on top, but it still all has a lot of gaps. So let's get started.
Yeah, we have to undo two big things, like everything, just like bare bones again.
But if we want it perfect and warm, we have to do it. So.
Let's go out to the beautiful weather. Oh, I love it.
I don't love it.
I thought we were gonna be working inside only today, but I guess upstairs is inside.
It's just colder. Yeah, it's pretty warm.
It's not that cold. Okay, front or back?
This is a smaller sheet, I can tell. This is the one that is cut.
Oh yeah.
This is the one that is big. So let's start with the big one.
Sure. Okay, that was pretty quick actually. I think the hardest part is going to be removing those and cutting them. I think that's going to be the most difficult part. Did it crack?
No, it was just stuck on the... with paint.
Oh, the lock. Ah, that's what it's cracked. Now it's, yeah, the lock. Wait.
Not so hard, please.
Ah, scary. Oh my. I feel the heat coming up here. I like your hairstyle. It's oh my god. You look like a kid that came just on the slide. So we were about to make mistake after mistake. We're about to like excitingly put them all back on by forgetting that we took them also off to cut them.
Yep.
Since we will have to extend the plasterboard a bit, like put woodies back. I think we're doing that, right?
Little air gap.
So it's gonna come a lot more further.
In theory, upstairs also needs that, but I think upstairs is not gonna be so bad. In future, it's gonna be separating the two rooms, so hopefully it's not gonna have condensation.
Okay, so let's get this so in here probably with the vacuum cleaner attachment.
Yeah.
And just like quickly.
Yeah, just a few centimeters on each foot. Okay, I'll go bring it.
And now we can put them up. So we have made this example of how it's gonna be. So we stick it up as you saw and kind of make the gap perfect. Perfect. Like nothing ever happened.
Yeah. So, as you can see, it is done. It looks like nothing has ever happened because we put it exactly back the way it goes, except we made a nice big line now, and we put the wind barrier behind. So now we are fine. We're not gonna have kind of the hot air hitting the outside membrane and creating condensation. So I think we're solving that problem. We're creating kind of like a thermos in the house. This is pretty much going to be airtight, more or less. I mean, as much as we can. Of course, there's loads of holes, every staple hole, everything. So there's still going to be holes, but at least it doesn't add up to a large quantity of air loss, what it would be if we didn't do anything on top. So I'm really glad we did it. So I think it's going to definitely benefit us. So now, we thought it was going to be the day over, and I thought we're finishing it, that's it. But we actually still got to go upstairs and put all the insulation back and close that up with the OSB sheet, and then we're done. So let's go up and finish it up.
Perfect.
So we are done. As you can see, it is nice and back in order. Can't see much of an improvement in this video maybe, but I think we're gonna feel the improvement for sure. And in the long term as well, we having it more prepared. This will not be, of course, the floor. The OSB is just the bottom floor, and on top is gonna go whatever floor we choose. But it is better that we are sealing it away, so we are ready now for it to go becoming same thing up here as well, with the kind of the membrane going all around from the floor all the way up. So we're doing exactly the same thing as downstairs for up here. But that's gonna be pretty much it with this video. I hope you enjoyed, and we're gonna see you in the next one. Bye bye. There's still a lot more work to do, so we gotta get on with it.
Way too much. But we're getting it done.
Yeah.